Alright, here's a quick little video in a Buick Enclave, how to replace worn out buttons like those. So they look like these buttons here. Right, first step we need to do is take a plastic pry tool, and there's two tabs here and here on either side and a couple down at the bottom, so gently wedge in through here and pop them out slowly, and then I'll show you how to replace the buttons. I've taken out the center display here, controls. The one has that was in the good car has the buttons all kind of worn off, so I'm going to attempt to open it up and swap the buttons over and see what happens. Right, so there's that, and the buttons all right in there. We're going to swap over the buttons. Take the good buttons out of this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now here, there's 4 little tabs. I'm just going to press in so I can release the buttons that come out. We're going to pop these ones back in. Should just snap in, just push them down carefully. There you go. New buttons in there. We'll just do the same for the other side now. All done. Okay, now we're just going to put it back inside. And there we go. We got the buttons swapped over. So that's how you change worn out buttons like these to something like that. Now I suppose you could buy them from the parts store, but run up to your local pick and pull and take the dash and grab some buttons. It's a lot easier and probably a lot cheaper. So there you go. Alright, there's a nice little video for you to show you how to replace buttons on your Buick Enclave. Probably a lot of other cars are quite similar in the Chevy lineup there. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.